said bite. He's adorable. He's most teddy bear.
He's lovely.
Keep going, keep going.
He has amazing hair when it's not wet and horrible looking.
Myself with because I didn't.
Just be like, this is what we do. This is our job.
No. Don't look at me right now. I look like shit.
Russell, I don't think they're coming out there, buddy.
Aww.
Abuse. Oh, beep, 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 beep.
Anyway. At least show them that one.
We're just the awkward children. Just go beep.
We should have been like yes. I feel so unloved. We need to leave and cry now. I feel so unloved. We need to leave and cry now.
No, we're scene kids. If we're seen crying in public, we will be emo.
Fine, then we'll pout, throw a fit, and walk out.
That would be a scene. No, that would be prep.
That's a scene. Yeah. Scene kids are just preppy emos.
Except for us, because sad face. We're punk. We are so punk.
Yeah, we are.
Are you still recording?
Yeah.
You're sitting there recording.
Yeah.
Leave me alone.
You had a Damien chin. You're like, not you, Russell.
Oh, you're like, I'm fixing the hood now.
Oh yeah, just fixing the. Angus beef. Just be like Angus Young. Just be like, oh, I'm gonna go wave to myself. Waving at myself. Hi, self. Free. It's like, oh snap.
I'm glad you missed that. I have to make my hair perfect on a scene kid. Yay!
I hate you. Ah, that was creepy.
Yeah, we know.